In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and read video transcripts on Vimeo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make the most of the transcript panel for clearer comprehension, note-taking, or quick reference. Start by opening Vimeo in your web browser. You can do this on desktop for the most consistent layout. Once the home page loads, look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation. Here, select Watch. This takes you into Vimeo's viewing area where you can explore featured videos, categories, and recommendations. From this page, either browse through the available options or use the search bar to find a specific video you want to review. When you spot the one you're interested in, click its thumbnail or title to open the video page. With the video open, focus on the area near the top of the page around the title and basic video details. On the right side of the video title, you'll see an option labeled Transcript. Click that. A transcript panel will appear, revealing the spoken content of the video in text form. This is especially helpful if you're learning from the video, working in a quiet space, or trying to quickly find a particular section. As you play the video, the transcript typically highlights the current line so you can follow along in real time. You can also click on a specific line in the transcript to jump directly to that moment, which is a great way to revisit key points without scrubbing through the timeline. If you prefer to read without audio, pause the video and scroll through the transcript at your own pace. Some transcripts may include timestamps or paragraph breaks that make navigation easier. If you don't see the transcript option next to the title, it likely means the creator hasn't provided one or the feature isn't enabled for that video. In that case, try another video or check back later, as availability can vary by creator and content type. Also remember that transcripts are separate from subtitles or closed captions. The transcript is a full text display of the spoken content, whereas captions appear over the video. If captions are what you need, you can toggle them from the player controls. That's all there is to it. Go to Vimeo, head to Watch, open the video you want, and click Transcript to read along with the content. With these steps, you can learn faster, reference information more easily, and navigate videos with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to practice the flow.